How do you actually build credit fast in 2025? It's a question millions of people are asking, especially those who want to buy a car, get approved for a mortgage, or simply stop paying ridiculous interest rates on loans. Because let's face it, in today's financial world, your credit score is your financial passport. It determines whether banks trust you, how much interest you pay, and even if you can rent that dream apartment. But here's the truth, most people don't realize that building credit fast isn't about luck or magic. It's about understanding the system, how credit really works, and using smart strategies to make it work for you. So today, let's break down exactly how to build credit quickly and effectively in 2025, step by step. First, let's start with the basics. Your credit score isn't random. It's a number between 300 and 850 that tells lenders how likely you are to pay back borrowed money. It's made up of 5 major factors. Payment history, 35%. Credit utilization is 30%. 3. Length of credit history, 15%. 4. New credit, 10%. 5. Credit mix, 10%. These 5 pieces determine your score, and knowing how to play each one smartly is how you build credit fast. So, let's start with the most powerful factor, payment history. If you do only one thing right, make it this: never miss a payment. Not on your credit card, not on your student loan, not even on your Netflix account, if it is tied to your card. Because one missed payment can drop your score by 50 to 100 points overnight. That's huge. Here's a pro tip. Set up automatic payments for at least the minimum due. That way you will never be late. Even if you are tight on cash, paying the minimum keeps your record clean. Consistency builds trust, and trust builds credit. Next up, credit utilization. This is the second biggest factor, and it's also where most people mess up. Credit utilization simply means how much of your available credit you are using. For example, if you have a $1,000 credit limit and you've spent $700, your utilization is 70%. That's bad for your score. Here's the golden rule. Keep your utilization below 30%. But if you want to build credit fast, aim for under 10%. So if your limit is $1,000, try to use only $100 to $150. That shows lenders you can handle credit responsibly. Here's another trick. If your credit card balance is high, but you have cash to pay it off, do it before your statement date, not after. Why? Because credit bureaus see your balance at the time of the statement. Pay early, and your utilization will look low even if you spent more that month. Now, what if you have no credit history at all? You can't build credit without having some right. It's a classic catch-22. But don't worry, there are ways around it. Option 1, get a secured credit card. This is perfect for beginners. You deposit a small amount, say $200 or $300, and that becomes your credit limit. Use it like a normal card, pay it on time, and within a few months, your score starts climbing. Secured cards like Discover It Secured or Capital One Platinum Secured are great options in 2025. Option 2, become an authorized user on someone else's credit card. If a family member or a close friend has great credit, they can add you as an authorized user. Their positive payment history will start showing on your credit report, instantly improving your score. It's like getting a credit boost without even using your own card. Just make sure the person you're added to pays their bills on time, because their mistakes will affect you too. Here's another underrated strategy: use credit builder loans. These are small loans designed specifically to help people build credit. You borrow a small amount, say $500, but you don't get the money up front. Instead, it is held in a savings account while you make payments over time. Once you finish, you get the full amount back plus a positive payment history added to your credit report. Apps like Self, Moneyline, and Credit Strong make this super easy in 2025. Now let's talk about something that can give you a quick boost: rent and utility reporting. Normally, your rent or phone payments do not count toward your credit. But with services like Experian Boost, Rental Karma, or Boom Pay, you can make those monthly payments work for you. If you pay rent, internet, or even your phone bill on time every month, these platforms will report that to the credit bureaus. And that can raise your score in as little as 30 days. Next up, be careful with new credit applications. Yes, you need credit to build credit, but applying for too many cards at once can actually hurt your score. Each application causes a small hard inquiry, which can lower your score temporarily. So space them out, ideally, wait at least 3 to 6 months between applications. Remember, the goal is quality, not quantity. And don't close your old credit cards, even if you don't use them much. Older accounts help your average credit age, which makes up 15% of your score. Keep them open, use them occasionally, and pay them off to keep your history strong. Now, let's talk about credit mix, having different types of credit. Lenders like to see that you can handle both revolving credit like credit cards and installment credit like car loans or personal loans. You don't need to take out debt just for this, but if you're in a position to diversify safely, it helps your score grow faster. Here's something that surprises a lot of people. Checking your credit score does not hurt your credit. You can check it as often as you like using apps like Credit Karma, Experian, or your bank's free score tool. Monitoring your credit helps you spot errors or fraud early and keeps you motivated as your score climbs. Speaking of errors, one of the fastest ways to raise your score is to fix mistakes on your credit report. 1 in 5 Americans has an error on their report that is lowering their score. Maybe it is a late payment that was not yours or an account you already paid off. You can dispute errors directly with Experian, TransUnion, or Equifax online. And once corrected, your score can jump in a few weeks. Let's put this all together into a simple credit-building action plan for 2025. Pay every bill on time. Set up autopay. 2. Keep utilization under 10%. Pay balances early. 3. Get a secured credit card or credit builder loan if you're starting out. 4. Use rent and utility reporting tools to build extra credit history. 5. Avoid unnecessary hard inquiries. Space out new credit. 6. Keep your old accounts open for a longer credit age. 7. Monitor your reports and fix any errors immediately. Follow this consistently for 3 to 6 months, and you will start seeing real results. Within a year, you could move from poor or fair credit to good or even excellent credit, saving you thousands in interest over time. Now, here's the mindset shift that separates people who build credit fast from those who struggle with it. Credit isn't about borrowing money, it's about managing trust. Every time you make a payment, you are telling the financial system, I am reliable. And the system rewards reliability with better opportunities. Once you understand that, credit becomes your greatest financial weapon. It lets you access lower rates, qualify for business loans, buy property, and even leverage rewards. Because credit isn't just about numbers, it's about freedom. In 2025, building credit fast isn't hard, it's just about strategy and discipline. With new tools, apps, and data reporting systems, you have more power than ever to take control of your financial future. Start small, stay consistent, automate everything you can, and within months, you will see your score climb faster than you ever thought possible. So if you are serious about improving your financial life, start today. Check your score, pick one action, and take that first step. Because the sooner you start, the sooner you will unlock the doors that good credit can open. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who is trying to improve their credit this year. Remember, building credit isn't about luck. It's about knowing the game and playing it smart. And now you know exactly how to win.